How to make curry laksa. Step 1. Making the chicken broth. In a medium saucepan, add the following: 2 cups chicken stock, 1 cup water, 3 chicken drumsticks with skin on. Turn on high heat and bring to boil. Boil for approximately 25 minutes until the liquid has reduced by 1/3. Collect the broth and put to one side. Discard skin. Pull meat off the bone. Shred the chicken. Place in bowl and put to one side for later. Step 2. Making the laksa paste. In a blender, add the following: 5 long red chilies, 5 garlic cloves, 4-centimeter piece of ginger, 8 cashew nuts, 2 diced shallots, 2 tablespoons sambal, 2 tablespoons peanut oil, and 1/4 cup water. Thoroughly blend until the consistency is smooth. Pour in bowl and put to one side. Step 3. Making the laksa chili sauce. In a large bowl, add the following: 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 tablespoon laksa paste, 1 tablespoon sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon chili paste, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Thoroughly mix together. It should look just like this. That's perfect! Put to one side for later. Step 4. Making the laksa broth. Place down a large saucepan. Turn on medium heat. Add 1½ tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 minced lemongrass stalk. Stir. Add the chicken broth, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon laksa chili sauce. Add the laksa paste. Stir. Squeeze in half a lime, simmer for 10 minutes. Add tofu puffs, stir. Remove from heat. Step 5. Preparing the rice noodles. Place a large pot onto your stovetop. Add water. Bring to boil. Add the rice noodles to the water. Boil for 2 minutes. Remove from heat and drain. Step 6. Assembling the laksa. Place down a serving bowl. Add the laksa broth, rice noodles, bean sprouts, fried shallots, coriander, laksa chili sauce, and fresh chili.